One of the big questions I always get is, what should financial analysis actually look like in a case? I've coached 302 Haskane teams to over 180 podium finishes. Today, I'm giving you a clear overview, situation review, modeling solution, and sensitivity analysis. We'll go deeper in latter videos. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series, turning numbers into compelling insights. Let's make your financial analysis look strong and judge friendly. Start with the existing financial statements. Note any large changes in key lines. Use ratios to compare profitability, solvency, liquidity, efficiency, and growth. Do horizontal, year over year, trend, multi year, and vertical, within a year as a percentage of sales analysis. Compare historical against industry benchmarks where possible. Convert statements to percentage of sales to make trends easier to see. This gives you a clear picture of current financial health before you propose changes. Use comparative depth, liquid and cash flow. Can they pay the bills? Profitability. How much money are they making? Stability and growth. Where's the growth happening? Revenue, profit, assets, equity, efficiency. How well are they using their assets and money? Use compound annual growth rate to smooth the or decline over time. It's great for comparisons and works on sales, profit, investment, and even customer metrics. Now model the impact of your solution. Estimate revenues and costs based on financial and industry benchmarks. Make sure the scale is big enough to matter to your defined audience. CEOs care about profit. Break costs into incremental, one time, and ongoing. Focus on profit impact, but show how revenue and cost changes work together. Use measures that match the organization's maturity. ROI for quick checks, MPV, RR for deeper analysis. Present visually, charts showing profit with or without your solution, with clear assumptions. Never present a single point forecast. Run sensitivity analysis with worst case, base case, and best case. Use key assumptions, growth, sales, cost, discount rate, timing, etc. Present results visually so differences are obvious. Also address the risk of being too successful. How will you handle rapid growth or higher demand? Good sensitivity analysis shows you've thought through both the downside and upside risks. There you have it, a clear overview of financial analysis and cases, situation review, modeling, and sensitivity. This is part of the Case Finances and Excel Mastery series. Turn numbers into compelling insights. Drop a comment. What's your biggest struggle with financial analysis in a case? Situation review, modeling, or sensitivity? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the series. Cam Welsh out. Go turn your numbers into insights that strengthen every recommendation.